the NJSBA Unsung Superheroes in Education Awards, where we shine a spotlight on those who go above and beyond, making a lasting impact in the world of education. In every school, there are individuals who work tirelessly behind the scenes, dedicating their time and passion to create a positive and nurturing learning environment.
Being a part of a child's educational journey is an absolute privilege and honor. And there are so many unsung superheroes who contribute to the success of our children. The NJSBA Unsung Superheroes in Education Awards is our way of celebrating the individuals who don't often seek recognition, but truly deserve it.
From the custodian workers who ensures a clean and safe environment for learning, to the crossing guard ensuring the safety of our school children, these dedicated staff members give their time to support the district and student success. These are the unsung superheroes, shaping the future.
As the Unsung Superheroes in Education program continues to evolve, we're excited to announce the expansion of the program to 2 brand new categories: human resource professionals and technology professionals. These essential roles play a pivotal role in supporting our educational institutions and ensuring smooth operations. By adding these 2 categories, we aim to shine a spotlight on the vital work carried out by these dedicated professionals, further honoring their commitment to educational excellence.
These unsung heroes are the backbone of our school districts, contributing to the growth and development of future generations. The NJSBA Unsung Superheroes in Education program aims to bring attention to those incredible individuals, showcasing their stories and expressing our gratitude for their unwavering commitment.